Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile on your Motorola Moto G23, but you can't seem to find it in the Google Play Store. And to fix this, let's open Google Play Store first and try to find the game. So we enter Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no results that we're looking for. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, reveal family, enter parental controls. Now either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Now look for Call of Duty again, and it should be right here on the top, available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.